Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how can we assign groups and create subtasks for each and every group. For this, guys, in the last session, we have discussed this app feedback form. Further, let us assign groups, which groups we have to do to make sure that feedback form works properly. First one as business case. So we have to present what exactly is a business case. Okay. Then after the business case is over, let us assign the second title as analysis. We have to be in a analysis phase. So let me minimize this. So let me add the analysis phase. We can add like this, add new group. Let me add one new group. Let me write it as development. And let me add another group called testing. So once the development is over, we have to test the feedback form. Okay. And then, so we have to do a release and maintenance. Release and maintenance. This is how the groups will look like. First, we'll have business case. In that, we'll add simple projects. Then we can have an analysis phase. After analysis phase, everything is done. Then we will have a development phase. Then we'll have a testing phase. Then release and maintenance. Okay. Let us assign some things in development tasks. Okay. For the timing, for the item one, instead of item one, I'll just write approval of business case. So I'll present a business case, it should be approved. Okay. So approval, we can add managers at the end. We'll see that later. The second one we can add create a business case. So two things we can add in a business case. Okay. Let's now move to analysis. In the analysis, we can add few things. So this is the analysis phase. Expand this particular group. So in this group, we can add the requirements gathering. This will be, we can have the BS role, requirements gathering. So second one also we can add, for the second one, we can have approval of the requirements, approval of requirements. We can add it here. So we might need more. So if you want to add more, just click on add project. Here you just write create mockup. So create mockup, then you can add a more project. You can also add sign off on mockup. Okay. So analysis phase we have added 4 different projects. Just minimize this. Let us expand this development group. So development we can add just assigning a developer feedback form. Let's have 2 projects in development. Similarly, for testing also we can have 2 projects. Let us assign testers. Then we can also provide a testing feedback. Testing feedback. Yeah, that will be for the testing. Those 2 projects, and then release and maintenance. Okay. For release and maintenance, we can add a number of things. Final amendments, release of feedback form. Amendments, release of feedback form. So now these are the 5 groups which I have created. For every group has internal projects. So we'll see the status later. So we don't want status as working on it. We can just start. We haven't started yet. So we'll not assign any status for that. Okay. So business case status is not there. Analysis, development, testing, and release and maintenance. Okay. So that's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.